Hey guys, happy Thursday. Get ready with me for school. Let's peel this off. Okay. Also, we're gonna try this chocolate protein shake. I like it. Alright, so I need to be quick while I'm getting ready because I want to curl my hair and it's already like 6. I don't really want to go to school today, but at least tomorrow's Friday. It's also my mommy's birthday today. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you so much. This is really good. Also, guys, there's like 9 more days until the ever eating party, and I'm so excited. Look at my nails. They are so outgrown, but it's okay. I'm getting them done next week. I really hope I'm not cutting time close, but we're just gonna hope for the best. Also, guys, I'm not the best at curling my hair, so this might take me longer. And on Friday, I'm gonna be going to a football game, so I'll definitely be doing a get ready with me for that. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't had the best couple days at school, but I'm trying to get like prepared and pumped up, and like getting ready with y'all is like talking to my besties, so that will make me feel better. So guys, I'm gonna start doing more get ready with me's in the morning because they're actually really fun. I'm so excited it's finally October because September was a little too long. I'm okay. I have no idea what I'm gonna be for Halloween. Also, guys, time update, it's 6:23, so we're doing pretty good on time. This is actually so good. Wait, I had something to say, but I forgot. Do I change into my uniform now? I hate my uniform. The decisions, bro. Alright, I just changed into my school uniform. Now, let's do my lip combo. Alright, now I'm just gonna let that dry. We're smelling good today. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Alright guys, it's time to curl my hair. I'm really scared. Alright guys, I'll come back to you when I'm done with my hair. Alright guys, I'm back. This is my hair. I love it. Time to take off my lip. Now some lip gloss. Now we're gonna style. This has to stay all day. I'm also gonna put a little bit of this hair perfume. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, love you.